Well, staying with police matters, no fewer than 810 suspected criminals have been arrested by the Nasarawa State Police Command from January to December this year. Commissioner of Police in the state, Miyaki Baba, made this known at the command headquarters in Lafayette while parading 16 suspected criminals who were recently arrested for various crimes in the state. He explained that most of the suspects arrested in the year 2022 were involved in armed robbery, kidnapping, railway tracks and sleepers vandalism, among others. While warning all criminal elements to flee the state, the CP commended the Nasarawa state government, traditional rulers and residents for their cooperation throughout the year. Baba also assures that the command will continue to fight crime to a standstill across the 13 local government areas of the state.
On 25th 2022, at about 21:30 hours, while conducting raid of suspected criminal hideouts at Federal University, Lafayette, the dual of Mohammed Abdul Malik, 18 years, and Yusuf Maji, 28 years, all males were apprehended by operatives of anti-cultism unit of the command. A search was immediately conducted on the suspects. On 22nd of November, acting based on credible intelligence operatives at the command, anti-kidnapping unit arrested one Columbus Basil, at 4 years, Elson Mahmoud at 7 years, Emeka Eze, 45 years, and Emmanuel Joe, 26 years, all males of Akwanga, while planning to kidnap a businessman in Akwanga. Number of armed robbery suspects arrested, 136. Number of suspect kidnappers arrested, 112. Number of firearms recovered, 44. Number of live ammunition recovered, 704. Number of motorcycles recovered, 6. Number of vehicles recovered, 5. Number of cultists arrested, 108. Number of rape suspects arrested, 59. Suspects arrested for other sundry offenses are 365. Money recovered, 600,000. Number of assets recovered. Total number of cases charged to court are 374.
Give him the microphone.